Quito la mesa, doblo la ropa, la reparto.
This guy from Guatemala and his twin were born with a rare unknown illness. Because of a chemical imbalance, his body was growing uncontrollably. Javier survived, but his twin brother passed away. Javier also has to deal with hydrocephalus, osteoporosis, and a speech impediment.
Fue, aquí en la casa,
This young man continues to grow until, one day, his bones started to curl because of the sheer size of them. Right now, Javier is 2.35 meters tall, and because of his height, he needs a custom-made bed. This guy tries to lead a normal life the best he can. His relatives note how kind and understanding he is. Unusual people like Javier are one in a million. We're going to talk about them in this video, so get ready to be shocked. Subscribe to our channel and your upcoming week will be great. This man from Rwanda is called Zanziman Eli. His head is disproportionately small due to microcephaly. Every day, Zanziman encounters teasing from the cruel villagers. Because of their harassment, he often hides in the jungle and feeds on grass, covering a 20-mile distance in a day. There is only one person who doesn't think Zanziman is ugly: his mother, who considers his birth a blessing after previously losing 5 children. The problem is she can no longer work, and Zanziman was never able to. To survive, they ask for donations from compassionate people online. They are hoping that people from faraway lands treat them better than their fellow villagers. Unlike our previous subject, a girl from Colombia called Lady Ardila does not hide from society. She actively promotes body positivity on social media. Her face increased in size as a result of a complex heart surgery she underwent as a child. Lady developed an illness affecting her bones, where fibrous tissue would form instead of normal bone. The doctors predicted that Lady would not survive past her 12th birthday, but she sure showed them. She is now 29 and she leads a full life working as a graphic designer. She is grateful to her friends who instilled confidence in her.
Hey yo, jawline
The
check.
story of this guy definitely deserves respect. His name is Isaiah Acosta. He does not have a jaw or a voice due to a birth defect affecting his face and jaw. He breathes by using special tubing, but take a look. It doesn't stand in his way of enjoying every day of his life.
And as you can see, I'm the man.
This Arizona native is into fashion and footwear. He loves talking to people, he just does it by using gadgets and hand gestures. And of course, through music, which helped him get a voice. Isaiah writes lyrics which he will never be able to speak. Instead, they are voiced by performers, but this way, we get to hear Isaiah's thoughts. We promise to surprise you, so we hope the next footage will do the trick. This dairy farmer from China is a man in every sense of the word, except for his huge breasts. The farmer went to the doctor complaining that his breasts get in the way during manual labor. Plus, he was really tired of constant teasing from other people in the village, which made him wear a heavy coat even in the hottest weather. All of his tests came back clear. His breasts were just deposits of fatty tissue.
Hi everybody, my name is Nastya and I have the biggest cheeks in the world.
Well, she's right. It's impossible not to notice her cheekbones. Recently, Ukrainian Insta model Anastasia Pokryshuk claimed that she wants to make her cheekbones even bigger. Anastasia admits that she lost count of how many cosmetic procedures she had done. As well as her cheekbones, she had injections in her forehead, lips, and jawline. I guess you can never have too much filler. Back in the day, Anastasia looked like this. She didn't consider herself good-looking enough. Now she is convinced that she changed for the better. Anastasia got her first injections at 26 years old and hasn't been able to stop since. In the last 6 years, the 32-year-old blogger spent several thousands of dollars on various facial fillers. And, she does not care one bit what other people say about her. It seems that this girl is happy with her reflection.
Oh, just for hype? No, I will never put something in my face what I didn't like.
This girl doesn't have to do anything to attract attention. She naturally stands out. American model born in Sudan, Nia Kim Gatwech is nicknamed the Queen of the Dark. She found worldwide fame thanks to her dark skin tone. Surprisingly, even this gorgeous woman had to deal with self-esteem issues and negative comments.
If you're being bullied, talk to someone. Finally realized that my skin was different or was bad because kid was laughing at me.
But she learned to love herself, and now the Queen of the Dark has over 900,000 followers on Instagram. A face of otherworldly beauty. That's what they say about the Tibetan model Tsunania. No one can argue with that. She is definitely one of a kind. A cat-like gaze, porcelain skin, a chiseled chin, and an amazing scattering of moles. Unsurprisingly, many leading fashion brands want to work with a model with such a unique look. A combination of two genetic disorders can result in a striking look. See for yourself. In this photo is Amina Ependieva, a girl with albinism and heterochromia, the white hair and pale skin, as well as differently colored eyes. Have you seen anything like it? Despite his unusual features, this man, Robert Hoge, found his place in the world obsessed with beauty. He was born with deformities in his legs and a facial tumor and underwent many surgeries which allowed him to see properly. Hoge built his career in media, first as a journalist and later as a political advisor. He also proved himself to be a charismatic public speaker. The focus of his motivational talks is the acceptance of self in a world that revolves around appearances. What would you do with a 7.5-inch nose?
Wanna shoot some pool?
We can only guess what an Englishman by the name of Thomas Wetters did with his, since he lived in the 18th century. Just look into these eyes. A 5-year-old child with a unique gaze was spotted by Khyber Khan on his way to Kabul. I was mesmerized when I spotted him at the back of the truck and got really excited to capture his portrait. We got him off the truck to capture some photos, but got really sad when his brother said that Imran is deaf and unable to speak, he posted on Twitter. The child probably suffers from the Waardenburg syndrome, which is a group of genetic conditions that can cause hearing loss, as well as changes in hair, skin, and eye color. Exceptional humans. You are not likely to encounter these people on your way to work, while shopping, or sitting in a cafe. But if you are fortunate enough to see someone like that, don't miss out an opportunity to talk to them. Their inner world is just as unique as their appearance. Thank you for watching. If you want another video like this, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lot of interesting content ahead.